PerTrek Hiking Pole Water Filtration System is an advanced tool that provides clean, safe drinking water while you explore the outdoors. Its efficient two-stage design removes 99.99% of bacteria, 99.99% of protozoa, and even filters out microplastics. The PerTrek system features a robust design with a large pre-filter for particulates. Its cutting-edge hollow fiber membrane filtration media delivers twice as much water per pump as competitors, treating up to 2,000 liters per filter. The hiking pole has a secure flip cap to keep the filtration system germ-free during your adventures. Foam-molded grips offer comfort and quick transitions on various terrains, and it comes with a durable, adjustable wrist strap. Simply attach the drinking tube, open the water inlet cover, insert the pole base into the water source, and pump. This fantastic gadget is priced at $190. The ComBar is a multi-tool that merges the functionalities of several essential tools. Perfect for chopping, splitting, digging, hammering, and sawing, it's an outdoor enthusiast's dream. The ComBar Pro includes a sturdy shaft, a folding hatchet blade, a trowel, and a hammer. Additionally, the hollow shaft contains a survival knife and a folding pruning saw, making it like a full toolkit in one device. Made from high-quality materials like titanium, hard anodized aluminum, and stainless steel, the ComBar Pro is built to handle the toughest jobs. Its ergonomic, textured shaft ensures a firm grip and superior control, giving you confidence in any task. Compact yet powerful, it offers the performance of a full-sized axe or entrenching tool. This exceptional multi-tool is available for just $60. Drawing inspiration from our early ancestors' resourcefulness, the Nomad is designed for modern survivalists. This everyday carry item is packed with essential tools for navigating the outdoors and surviving any situation. The Super Kit version of the Nomad Survival Multi-Tool includes a fire starter, scraper, flashlight, compass, bottle opener, cutting blade, carabiner, split ring, screwdriver, and a quarter-bit adapter. It's like having a toolbox in your pocket. Made from stainless steel, this compact multi-tool offers durability and functionality. It's a bottle opener, wrench, compass, flashlight, and blade all in one. The scraper can be used with a built-in ferrocerium rod to start a fire, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. Priced at just $89, it's a great value for the number of tools it offers. Imagine a chainsaw that doubles as a bayonet. The Zombie X can be attached to any military standard rail, making it highly versatile. Made with precision in the USA, this top-notch chainsaw serves various purposes. Picture the Zombie X mounted on your assault rifle. It's bound to attract attention. This chainsaw bayonet is ideal for trade show displays, gunroom exhibitions, or as a unique piece above your fireplace at the cabin. It's not just for show. Off-road motorcyclists, mountain bikers, and hikers can carry the Zombie X in their hydration packs to clear fallen trees and branches from their paths. It's also a lifesaver in emergencies, helping you cut through roofs and wooden doors to make an escape. This premium tool is priced at $700. The Omni Blade Machete is a versatile 3-in-1 tool, combining a machete knife, a tactical tomahawk, and a survival saw into one compact package. It's the ultimate tool for the zombie apocalypse. With its innovative design, the Omni Blade simplifies hiking and camping, putting every tool you need within easy reach. It comes with a sheath and 21 feet of paracord for added versatility and convenience. Made from premium hardened steel, the Omni Blade stands out for its exceptional quality. It's durable and resistant to chipping or breaking, making it reliable in the toughest environments. Whether you're guiding in the jungle or exploring the wilderness, this machete multi-tool is dependable. Priced at just $60, it's a must-have for adventurers. The REAPR Spear is a versatile tool designed for hunting, technical uses, and general protection. Its shorter shaft makes it perfect for close-quarter survival and hunting. The spear features a weighted stainless steel double-edged blade that delivers power and force. Its grooved grip enhances accuracy and comfort, making it ideal for target practice and friendly competitions at campsites. Safety is a priority with a TPR rubberized snap sheath included. The survival spearhead measures 8 1/8 inches long and 11 millimeters thick. With a bolt-reinforced handle and a 44-inch overall length, it's suitable for close-quarter hunting and self-defense. Priced at $80, it offers durability and functionality for your outdoor adventures. The CLIQ portable chair is an innovative seating solution for outdoor enthusiasts. It combines portability, comfort, and stability, making it perfect for camping, picnics, festivals, and more. Setting up the CLIQ chair is easy with its torsion spring-loaded legs and telescoping frame. It opens up in just 5 seconds, no tent poles or extra parts required. Just press a button, and you're ready to relax. The precision-engineered frame and tip-proof design ensure stability and durability. The ergonomically designed canopy provides excellent support and comfort, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor adventures. When folded, it's as small as a water bottle, making it easy to carry wherever you go. Priced at $110, the CLIQ portable chair is a game-changer in portable seating. The TFS Survival Lighter is a compact and reliable fire starter designed to ignite campfires in any situation. Precision milled from 6Al4V titanium billet, this lighter is built to last. Its knurled finish offers excellent grip even when wet. Weather resistant, it comes with extra spare parts packed in a reusable survival tin. This compact fire starter is a perfect addition to any backpack or survival kit. The TFS Survival Lighter is refillable with common lighter fluid and can also work with unleaded auto fuel, white gas, jet fuel, or other refined liquid petroleum suitable for combustion engines. It offers versatility and reliability when you need it most. Priced at $55, it ensures you're always prepared to start a fire in the great outdoors. If you need a lightweight and practical shelter, the SnugPack Stratosphere is perfect. Weighing just over half a pound, it's much smaller and lighter than a standard tent. Its self-supporting canopy around the head and shoulders increases breathability and movement while protecting you from the elements. The entry features a no-see-um mesh mosquito net that can be rolled away when not in use, and a 3/4 length side zip for easy access. A mesh-covered vent behind the head area improves air circulation. Packed into its compression sack, including tent stakes, it weighs only 2.2 pounds, making it ideal for lightweight backpacking or when space is limited. Priced at $220, the SnugPack Stratosphere is an excellent choice for adventurers seeking a compact and reliable shelter. The ShiftPod 3 is a shelter designed for durability and ease of use. Built with an integrated carbon fiber frame and hub system, it sets up quickly and provides reliable protection for your outdoor excursions. Featuring patented all-season fabric, the ShiftPod 3 offers heat reflection, insulation, mildew protection, and hydrophobic coatings to shield you from the elements. Its ultrasonic welded hex pattern with blackout technology ensures restful sleep at any time of day. The ShiftPod 3 stands out for its strength, withstanding wind speeds over 100 miles per hour. Despite its robust construction, it's easy to set up and take down, achieving a world record time of just 22 seconds. With dimensions of 12 by 12 by 6.7 feet when standing and folding down to 13 by 13 by 76 inches when stowed, it offers both convenience and comfort. This durable structure is priced at $1,700.